4. The central hypothesis, a mathematical genesis of physical law. The most ambitious and significant claim of the work is its central hypothesis. The UTF and its derivative UTCs are not mere mathematical curiosities but are intrinsically linked to the fundamental constants of the universe. The framework posits that the numerical values of constants such as the fine structure constant, alpha, the electron rest mass, m_e, and others are not arbitrary, experimentally determined values but are instead mathematically necessary consequences derivable from the properties of the UTF, the UTC sequence, and the constant E. This represents a profound shift from a descriptive to a generative view of physical law, aligning with a Pythagorean or Platonist philosophy where the universe is fundamentally mathematical in nature. 5. Numerological derivations and proposed relationships. The articles present specific, albeit speculative, derivations linking the mathematical framework to physical constants. These relationships appear to be based on numerological correspondences, where combinations of E, pi, and specific UTC values are manipulated to yield values extremely close to experimentally measured physical constants. For example, a formula for the fine structure constant, alpha is almost equal to 1/137.036, might be proposed in the form of an equation involving E. While these equations are numerically compelling, they currently lack a clear, deductive theoretical underpinning from a known physical theory. Their validity rests on the precision of the numerical match and the philosophical appeal of their mathematical origin.